So we've seen how decimals smaller than 1 work, the difference between tenths and hundredths. Now what happens if we have a decimal bigger than 1? How does that look?
Right, you recall from the last video that when we have a fraction grid like this, that we have a line 1/10 there, which is the same as 0.1, and 2, which is the same as 2/100ths. Of course, some decimals actually are bigger than 1. So here we have a decimal that's actually larger than 1. We have one fraction grid or one decimal grid completely covered, followed by another one which is partially covered. So we have one unit, and the unit stands for number, whole number essentially. And then we have 1 unit, 3/10, and if you look carefully, 2, 4, 6, 7 ones. 1 unit, 3/10, 7 ones, or 1.37. Now that 7 ones actually is 7 100ths. Okay, so here what we have is we have 5 squares completely covered and one that's partially covered. Now, two ways of working out how many squares are covered. One is to take away the 11 units that you can see here, 10 plus 1, which gives us 89, or we count the 8 rows of 10 plus 9. But anyway, either way, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 whole numbers, 5 8/10ths, and 9 100ths. So it's 5.89. Let's have one more example, and then you can go off and maybe have a go at some of these yourself. Here we have 3 whole units. So the units is 3. We don't have any tenths at all, so we'd put 0 there, 0 tenths. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 7/100ths. So the answer is 3, 0 tenths, 07, 3.07. Okay. We'll quickly look at this other one. So this is 4 whole units, and we've got 11 hundredths, or 1/10 and 1/100th. It's acceptable to say it either way, and that is 4.11.
So I hope that clarifies how to put together a decimal.